This is the 35-litre Cobra Rope Dry Bag by Arbortec. Let's take a look at it. We've got strong carry handles on the Velcro fastening, zipper lid, entry for rope, straight into a drawstring opening. So, I've got a stripped back climbing kit in here. Got a rope guide, climbing harness, side strop, 37-metre climbing rope with mechanical friction device. Got useful gear loops on the outside that I can attach karabiners to. In the pocket at the front, I've got strops of varying sizes. I've got storm flat pockets on both sides. Foot ascender, hand ascender. On the other side, all my SRT gear. Chest harness, foot loop, a knee ascender, rope wrench, and that's it. We've also got a really handy little hole for drainage at the bottom when you put your kit away wet. That's the 35-litre Cobra Rope Dry Bag.